In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana in a few easy steps. Whether you're managing complex projects or just trying to keep your team on the same page, exporting timelines can be a crucial part of your workflow. Thankfully, Asana makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to head over to Asana and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're all set, you'll find yourself at the home screen. Consider this your central hub, where you can access all your projects and tasks. From here, you'll need to locate the specific project whose timeline you wish to export. As you find it on your list, go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to the project's main page, where you can view all the relevant details and features. Now, direct your attention to the tabs across the top of this project page. Here, you'll find options such as List, Board, and Overview. What you're looking for here is the Timeline tab. Clicking on that will transition you into the Timeline view. This is a fantastic tool that visually lays out your project's schedule, offering insights into the flow and dependencies of your tasks. Once you're on the Timeline page, look towards the upper section near the project name. You'll notice a small drop-down icon right next to the project title. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu providing several options. For our current objective, focus your attention on the Sync Export section. In the next step, when you click on Sync as Export, you'll be faced with a choice of file formats. This is a good moment to decide which format will suit your needs best. Your choices might include CSV files, which are excellent for spreadsheets, or PDF formats, which offer a straightforward, easy-to-read layout. Select your desired format by simply clicking on it. With your preferences set, the final task involves clicking on the Export button. When you do so, it initiates the download process of the file to your designated Downloads folder, or it might prompt you to choose the location where you'd like to save it. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on exporting a timeline from Asana. Remember, exporting data like this can significantly enhance communication and project tracking with your team or stakeholders. If you regularly need offline access or want a snapshot of your current project status, this export feature is immensely beneficial. It can boost your productivity and keep things running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.